Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a cool split typography animation in Canva. Let's get started. First, open your Canva video project, change the background color to black. Now create your text. I am using the Anton font, but feel free to choose any font you like. Resize the text and change the text color. Next, save this text as a PNG with a transparent background. Now let's create the second text. Make sure this text is smaller than the first one. Change font color. Use a different color this time. Save the text as PNG with a transparent background as well. Now create the third text. This time we are going to change the font. Set the color to red. Save this text as PNG with transparent background. For now, upload all the images to Canva. Now add first image to the page, resize and place it in the middle. Crop the image in half and duplicate it. Then crop the duplicate also and match it with the top half. Duplicate the page. Move the top half slightly up and bottom half down to create the split effect. Then add second image to the page and adjust it between the first text. Repeat the same steps to split the second text as well. Again, duplicate the page. Select the two parts and make a space in the middle to complete the split look. Now, add the third text in between the two split parts. Decrease the page duration. And finally, let's add some match and move transition to make the animation smoother. As the last step, duplicate the first page, delete one of the two parts, and resize it. Go to Animate, choose the stomp effect, and select on Enter option. And here it is, our split text animation is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.